Hello, in front of me I've got CARPURIDE, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay tab. In this video I'll show you how to pair your smartphone with the tab via Bluetooth. In the beginning there are two ways to do it. The first and easy way is to connect your smartphone with the tab via wire. After you connect it via cable, the Bluetooth connection will be established automatically. Also, you can go to Bluetooth and on your smartphone enter Bluetooth settings and pair new device. Now select Car Bluetooth, select CARPURIDE. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.